Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to reset Pinterest app account password. Now to do that, open the Pinterest application first. On the Pinterest homepage, you need to tap on the profile icon, tap that, and there you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right corner. Tap that and then tap on settings. In the setting page, you need to tap on account management. Tap that. In the account management page, you will have the option to change your password for the Pinterest account. So tap on the password option. With that, you will be able to reset the Pinterest app account password. To do that, you will need to provide the current password and then only you will be able to provide a new password. Type in the current password first and below type in the new password. Retype the same password on the confirm text box. Then you need to make these changes to be updated. So click on done to save the changes. With that, the password update process is completed. So this is how you can reset Pinterest app account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.